Hello, aspiring coders. Today let's embark on an exciting Python journey using Visual Studio Code. I will walk you through creating your very first Python program. Before I dive in, let's set up our coding environment. In VSCode, I will start by creating a .py file, an essential container for Python code. Creating a .py file is simple. Navigate to File, click New File, and name it with a .py extension, such as hello.py. This file extension tells VSCode it is a Python file. Now let's craft our very first program. In the coding world, the phrase hello world is a timeless initiation into a new language. To display hello world in Python, just type parent hello world in our .py file. This line instructs Python to showcase a hello world when we run the program. It's the first code snippet akin to saying hello when learning a new language, a simple yet crucial step. Executing our code is the next thrilling step. Click on Run without debugging in the top menu or use the shortcut. There you go. You have successfully created and run your inaugural Python program in VSCode. Congratulations on this milestone. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and join me for future coding escapades. Until next time, happy coding.